How to transfer data from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer data from your older iPhone to your newer iPhone. So as you can see, I currently have iPhone 11 on this side and the iPhone 14 Pro Max on this side. So let's say I want to transfer my data from this iPhone 11 to this iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now what you'll have to do is simply, if your phone is already set up, you'll have to simply reset your phone. And if you don't know how to reset it, I have a separate video on how you can reset your iPhone. You can simply do that over there. Now once you reset your iPhone, simply swipe up, and as you can see, this is the setup page. Now as soon as you open your iPhone, a pop-up will appear on my older iPhone saying set up new iPhone. So it will automatically detect a new iPhone over here, but if yours doesn't detect, I'll show you what you can do. Simply select your language and then select your country. Now in this page, it'll ask you to bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. So if the pop-up shows over here, it's great, but if it doesn't, tap on the option set up manually. After that, tap on the option continue, choose your Wi-Fi network, so simply enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Now once you've done that, tap on the option set up later. And then once you are taken to this page, you'll have to simply tap on the third option, which is transfer directly from iPhone. After that, you will be taken to this page where you will definitely get a pop-up. So if you don't get it, simply lock your phone and then unlock your phone. And once you've done that, the pop-up will surely appear. Now what you'll have to do is simply tap on the option continue on your older iPhone. And then you'll have to simply take your older iPhone and then face the camera to take a photo of this thing. Now once you've done that, place your older iPhone back. After that, it'll ask you to wait just a moment. After that, simply tap on the option set up for me, or if you are creating this account for your child, tap on the option create new child account, but for now I'll simply tap on the option set up for me. Now once you've done that, you'll have to enter the password of your other iPhone. Now once you've done that, simply wait for this to finish. After that, it will basically provide you two different options. So you can either download your data from your iCloud, or you can simply transfer from this iPhone to that iPhone. So for this video, we'll simply tap on the second option. And once you've done that, it will simply set up my Apple ID. And also make sure that both of these phones have enough battery for the transfer to complete. Now you'll have to simply agree to the terms of conditions. So tap on the agree option on the bottom right corner of your screen. And after this, it will take some time, maybe like 15 to 20 minutes for all of your data to be transferred from this iPhone to that iPhone. So simply wait for this transfer to complete and be patient while the transfer is being done. Now tap on the option continue. And now once this has been completed, you will have successfully transferred your data from this iPhone to this iPhone. So that is basically how you transfer data from your older iPhone to your newer iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.